Hello everyone, welcome to a very special episode of CG Innovate. Uh, Today we have a very truly charismatic technology leader with us, Somesh Sharma, who has been leading the technology revolution of Chhattisgarh from the very front and at various capacities. His company, Optic Nextwealth, has been making headlines and has been has seen exceptional growth lately. Therefore, it's a pleasure and honor to have him at this platform. So, before further ado, I would invite him to share his fascinating journey and in detail about his rapidly striding company, Octec Mixwell. Please, sir, welcome.
Thank you, Harshad, and very good afternoon to the team. And I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my learning experience and share the content feeling that I have gathered all these years. And honestly speaking, there is no better feeling than being, your own self and near to your parents and doing something in the place where you're born and brought up. So, welcome to Octec Nextwealth. So, that's the organization I have been given responsibility to lead from front. And honestly speaking, I cherish every moment and I cherish every day, week, months, in this organization. What made me to come back to my hometown, Bhilai, Raipur, and start this organization is one single thought of if the world has different established ecosystem and people and talents from tier 2 tier 3 ecosystem can go and work over there, why not work and come back to small towns or tier 2 tier 3 ecosystem. So I think that was the call which I got from my inner self, and that made me to start this organization called as Octec Nextwell. It was a nice journey. It was not one single day thought that one night we thought and we just came back and started this organization. But yes, after completing my masters in information technology in Pune, I went to Bangalore, worked with big organizations like Infosys, General Electrics, and then I was a part of a startup called as Pratian, which was just started, and I left that organization. When they were 250 plus, and they were leading in healthcare software development. And this was when I wanted to start something at my hometown. So Octec Nextwealth. So what Octec Nextwealth means, according to me, Octec Nextwealth is an opportunity. According to me, Octec Nextwealth is is about making a difference. And what is making a difference? I'm sure that anyone who does a startup has a long term vision of making it successful, earning money out of it. The startup should gain maturity, and it should be popular among the Indian ecosystem and the international ecosystem. But what was the major thought or vision behind starting Octec Nextwealth was, how can we make sure that the tier 2 tier 3 ecosystem of India is as good as tier 1 ecosystem that exists in India, not just tier 1 ecosystem that exists in India, but also at international level. So that's the reason the pull was very strong, and we couldn't stop ourselves from starting Octec Nextwealth. Octec Nextwealth has been providing excellent services to its client all over India and the world. And so far we have been able to successfully place our organization in the world map. What we do exactly is we are a digital process organization. We do a lot of data preparation for our clients, which are used to be fed directly to the machines to make some sense out of it. So this was a very brief description of what we do at Octec Nextwealth.
Thanks a lot, sir, for explaining the the objective and the motive behind. I would say, even say, the noble motive behind starting a company that provides employment opportunities. Not even I would saying employment would be an understatement. Saying a career opportunity, an opportunity to be a part of something new. A momentum I think has been gathering in our state. slowly the ecosystem has been developing, and it's an effort like you pioneering efforts of you and your company that is really putting Chhattisgarh in the map of global IT. So thanks a lot, sir, for that. In specific, if I may ask you, uh, what is what are the challenges you are facing, and how is the what is the primary contribution of Nextwell Optech in this development of this entire ecosystem, which is motivating people to quit their fat metro jobs and come back to their hometown?
That's a great query, Harshad, I should say. So, see, Octec, let's first try to understand a little bit of the tier 2, tier 3 ecosystem. What happens generally is those smart talents who are very smart, they get campus placed, and they have options of going outside this city and state. Those who are smart enough, but there are certain sect of people who are who have to really struggle a lot to be able to get into the mainstream. They have to learn a lot, and what they do is they move to metros. They try to do some kind of learning over there, and then they again hunt for job. Apart from it, there are many possessive parents, there are many single child who their parents are not willing to let them go outside. And then there are some talents again, due to financial constraints, they are not able to move to a to an established ecosystem. So these are some of the factors which is untapped. And the lack of good smart companies in tier 2, tier 3 ecosystem leaves them with no other option than kind of wasting their talent into a tier 2, tier 3 ecosystem. I think that's where Octec Nextwealth, they bridge the gap. They could understand that this is something which we can make best use of it, and it's going to be a win-win situation for both the organization and the talents who are available over here, who can really do well if given an opportunity. So what exactly where our crossroads when we started this was, first thing is to make sure that to make believe the clientele of ours, or the outside world, to make them believe that something like this can be delivered from a small town, irrespective of the fact that it is in a middle central India and it's in a very small town. So that was our first challenge. But I think with very clear visible thought of ours, the values properly driven, the technology and the process very clearly defined for the organization, that really helped us to bring or instill confidence with our clientele. At the same time, the next challenge was to how to make sure that the available pool and the talents are very clear about what they are getting into, and to make them feel that the organization which is going to set up over here in Bhilai is as good as any organization that exists in metro or at an international level. So making them understand what we do, how we are going to scale, what are the different career maps that exist within the organization. So those were the initial crossroads in terms of communicating the both sides of the ecosystem. One side the clientele, the other side the talents. So I think the Octec team really did a great job in terms of making sure that both side of the ecosystem understand, and they believe that something like this can be happened. And rest is history. If you can see, we are 200 plus organization now, and we have been delivering values to more than 8 plus clients all over the world. So I think a journey which started 5 or 6 years back has really proved out to be fruitful to both sides of the ecosystem, whether it is our clients or whether it is the talent over here. So now we can fairly and very strongly and confidently say that the coming years are going to again a game changer in the current ecosystem. And I think we are confidently going to add 300 plus to 400 more employment opportunities within Chhattisgarh. So I think yes, there were roadblocks, there were crossroads, there were problems, but together as a team at Octec, we really came through that, and we are seeing the results of it. So we are happy about it.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir. for your informative reply. I think one of the reasons why your contribution is again very important because a lot of people want that culture. Uh, one of the most challenging aspect when professionals come back from metros is the culture they anchor for the culture, that corporate culture, that global culture, to be there in the company they work. And that is one another aspect of companies like Optic, Nextwell, that they are able to provide that culture which nobody feels that missing out on anything. It's still in Bhilai, it's still a global culture. So that again is seems to be very fascinating and probably a very promising aspect of that. And that along with, I've heard that your 200 plus strong team as well as very gender equal workforce, wherein women are also, I think perhaps they are more than men. So that is also one of the key parameters of social development. So coming to again to that point of social impact, how would you say that the company, the footprint, also have a social advantage to the people of the state?
No, that's a very good question, Harshad. And honestly speaking, at Octec Nextwealth, we are very clear, about our values. So, and the first and foremost, value of our organization is, creating a social impact. Now, social impact can have different measures or different definitions. But at Octec, we are very clear about what we mean by social impact. First is, as I said that, talents who are over here, they should get a job. They should get a job which they are willing to do. And because of ABC constraints, they were not able to migrate outside of this city or state. So we became a platform. So it was a social impact. Reason being because single child parents, or parents who didn't wanted their kids to go outside, it became a boon for them. So it's a social impact. And we have read multiple journals. There are major companies who have done researchers on how employer productivity can increase. And during the pandemic time, we have seen that most of the talents were back home, but still the business grew multifold, and at least in IT sector. So those are some of the proofs which backs the thought process that any talent which is who is near to their parents, or near and dear ones, they are bound to be more productive than in a normal scenario. So having said that, we could tap that particular thought process, and it really created a social impact, because not just the talents over here in tier 2 tier 3 ecosystem were able to work on excellent environment, but at the same time they were able to spend time with their parents, and they were able to socially impact nearby ecosystem in terms of participating in many local events, whether it is of social importance, or whether it is of professional importance. So they somehow contributed to developing the local ecosystem. So first and foremost, yes, physically their presence at this geography really helped to bring out and social impact. Then having said that, the kind of remuneration or salary package we were able to churn out from the model that we work on, it also has given financial independence to a lot of people over here. So we have seen that a lot of talents buying car for their parents, gifting them, at the same time we have seen that a lot of talents buying house, which is a dream for any person. We have seen that people were living in a rented apartment or in a rented house, and while they were working with us, they could apply for a loan, and they bought their own house. So those are bringing smiles to their own families, and that's where we really felt good about it. So I think in a way that was the second, the financial impact that happened to the society of here. And then to support 200 plus employees means, if you see, let's say an average family has 4 members. So if you multiply 200 multiplied by 4 members, so it is 800 people altogether. So if you ask me, 200 employees in our organization or family members in our organization, and then extended family becomes 800, then again support function. So at least 1200 to 1300 individuals are positively benefited because of Octech Nextwell, which has started over there in this geography. So I mean that that is one of the great achievements in terms of making a difference socially. At the same time, I'm very happy to appraise you that in our organization we are 55% female employees and 45% male employees. So again, having said that, there are many married women who have who have got married, and they didn't have any other options to go anywhere, but because of flexible approach of Octech Nextwell, they are able to contribute to the ecosystem, and at the same time manage their family as well, which becomes very difficult in tier 3 or tier 2 ecosystem. But I think somehow at Octech Nextwell we have really made sure that we are able to give that platform to those women also who wanted to come back to mainstream, again creating a social impact. At the same time, there are so many different gatherings, there are so many different seminars that are employees they take part in terms of making sure that how they can make a difference by generating employment. At the same time, they can make a difference by coming back to mainstream. So in and all, I can say that the initiative of ours and keeping this value of social impact very strong in our value system has really helped us to make sure to create an impact in Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, so we are truly proud of the tremendous success Optic Next Wealth has gathered. And I would say thanks a lot for speaking with us and taking such brave steps. And we would also wish you that you'd soon be over 1,000 strong company. And for our viewers, why companies like Optech Next Wealth matter, because a company, an IT company creates five, a multiple of five jobs. One IT job creates five indirect jobs in the economy, and that is five-fold lives. So I think that is one of the most fascinating and developmental aspect of creating a technology company. Thanks a lot, sir, for creating such a wonderful company with such a wonderful global culture, and we would wish you a very expansionary phase, coming of expansionary phase since the pandemic is almost over. And any parting words you would like to share with us?
Sure. Thank you, Harshad, for providing me a platform to share my learning. And honestly speaking, I would want many talents from Chhattisgarh who are there outside in established ecosystem to believe in their roots. And if we can make it happen now, we are talking about 5 years of experience in this ecosystem. So if we were able to successfully reach milestones, I'm sure that the coming generations also can. So it's my sincere request to people out over there, whether it is India, whether it is outside India, those who have their roots in their respective states or respective cities. Now India is in such a phase that things can happen, and we are really in a position wherein the knowledge base is increasing a lot. So I would request or urge young entrepreneurs to set up their shop, start their own company, and lead India to be a knowledge giver to all of the world. So, and at the same time, don't kind of hesitate to take risk, because what situation we are in India today is very mitigated. You can take risk, and a little bit of effort will churn around good positive results. There's no doubt about it. And at the same time, make sure that you make a difference within your family, within the state, within India, and to the world. So those are my words before we end this conversation. I wish you good luck, every one of you. And then again, request every young minds to think like an entrepreneur, and in the coming days start companies like Octech Nextwell in every cities of India.
Thanks a lot, sir. To the viewers of CG Innovate who are listening, today we had a very special guest, Sovesh Sharma, the founder of Optic Next Wealth. And for all the viewers who want to pursue a very successful and globally led career, I would say keep in mind Octane NextWealth as a company that you can always count on. Uh, Thanks a lot, sir, for being here.